HealthWorks this morning, there are some things laying around your house that could be toxic to your pets. So here to tell us what they are, we have Dr. Noreen, Khan-Mayberry, and Monica Schmidt from the Houston Humane Society. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Good morning. All right, so what are some of these common household dangers that we're talking about?
Well, you know, there's so many things around the house, but I'd like to talk about first cedar and mothballs. You know, we've got cedar bedding, and a lot of people think that's safe for their dogs, but it's not. It has phenols and aromatic hydrocarbons that affect their liver, affect their kidney, and also affect them neurologically. Another thing is pine sol. A lot of us clean with pine sol. Also contains phenolics, aromatic hydrocarbon. You don't want to have pine sol in your house or use it around your pets, especially the doggies.
Ooh, Meatball. Meatball
Yes,
does not want to hear
Meatball does not want that.
Yes,
Yeah.
stay
So
away.
anyway, so antifreeze and snow globes. You know, there's ethylene glycol that's in the snow globes. Also antifreeze. So if you've got antifreeze with ethylene glycol, you want to keep that away from them.
Okay.
Small amounts can be fatal to dogs and cats. All of your cleaning products with volatile organic chemicals you want to be careful with. Also, some animal products such as rawhide dog chews, they can be contaminated with salmonella, so you don't want to have rawhide dog chews. Some of the flea and tick products that actually contain pyrethroid chemicals are likely to be carcinogenic to people, so we don't want that.
Okay.
So some of the things that are neurologically aren't good for pets as far as food goes, caffeine and chocolate. It's poisonous to dogs and cats and ferrets. Also other common foods, raisins, walnuts, and you want to keep them away from pits like peach pits, cherry pits. It contains amygdalin, which breaks down to cyanide once they consume them, so you don't want to have that.
And some of these things we've certainly heard of before, but some are news to me, absolutely.
Right.
We have about a minute left. Monica,
Yes.
I want to ask you, what do you recommend people do at home to make sure that their pets, don't get near any of these things?
Right, so we really tell people to take an approach kind of like with toddlers or babies. You want to baby-proof your house for puppies and kittens, especially because they're so inquisitive. And even if they get into even a small amount of something that may be toxic, get them to a veterinarian. It's better to be on the safe side. And these guys are so small, their body weight is so small that you definitely want to get them checked out.
Call that vet immediately. Do you have any other tips for us, Doctor, about where we can maybe go to see a complete list of all these items?
Yes, so you can go to my website and I will post a link on my blog this evening, and then you can get all of the tips, all the plants, everything I couldn't cover this morning will be on there.
All right. And Meatball, we want to know, is just a little upset at our cameras.
Yes.
I think they're moving and he's not too
I think
sure
he kept
why.
seeing himself.
Yes, Meatball saw himself
He can be a
as
little
that dog.
scary in this studio, but these two cuties are up for adoption, so check out the
Yes.
Houston Humane Society for more on that.